This is what my country should look like. But thanks to multinational corporation, this is what it looks like. The plastic pollution crisis is everywhere. This is why I started the Zero Waste Cities project, because I'm sick and tired of witnessing this mess being dumped in our communities. But this is not my responsibility. It is not my community's responsibility. It is the responsibility of corporations like Nestle and Unilever who are producing single-use plastics in the first place. As a founder of the Break Free from Plastic movement, I am joining the Greenpeace Plastic Monster Ship Tour. Let us mobilize our communities to put more pressure on corporations to take immediate action and change. Will you join me?